Hello everyone, so take the hairs like this, tie it in the between. Now fix the hairs in the between from the sides, make the plaits on it, make the plaits in the between and fix it and it's done. Next we will be making a ponytail, divide it from the between and then rotate it. Make a bow on the top. Now take small section of the hairs, rotate it and then make the plaits on it like this and it's done. Next, tie the hairs on the sides and make the plaits on it like this. Now join the hairs on the back and then fold it upward and fix it like this from the sides. Divide it from the between and rotate it. Fold it like this and then fix it and it's done. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back. Now take the hairs like this and then rotate it. And then tie the hairs on the sides. Keep fixing the hairs in the same manner and it's done. Next, tie the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back. Now make the plaits on the sides of the hairs like this. We'll be fixing the hairs on the top and it's done. Next, take the hairs from the sides and make the plaits on it. Fix it on the back. Now after that, divide the hairs into two sections. Fold it like this upward. Now fix the hairs in the between and pull it like this. And it's ready. Next, fold the hairs like this, divide the hairs into two parts and then roll it as shown in the video. Now after folding it, tie the hairs like this and fold it on the top and it's done. Next, take the hairs like this and tie it. Now divide it into two parts. Make the plaits on it as shown in the video. Keep the hairs as shown in the video, rotate it and fix them into each other. Fold it on the top and it's done. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now after rotating it, fix it on the back like this. Now divide it from the between and rotate it and then fix the hairs into each other and your hairstyle is almost ready. Next, we'll be tying the hairs like this from the sides, tie it on the back, join them. Now after that, fold the small section of the hairs. Now divide it from the between, rotate it and fix the hairs into each other. Make a bow on the top and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs like this and make the plaits on it on the top first. Now take the hairs from the sides, join it like this. Keep joining the hairs into small sections and then rotate it and it's done. Next, tie half of the hairs, divide it into two parts and then divide it from the between and then fix it after rotating them together. Fold it on the top and make a bun and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and then divide it and then rotate it. Now take the hairs from the sides and make the plaits on it and then join it on the back. Now fix them together after rotating it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs like this and then join the hairs together. Now fold it like this and fix the hairs into each other like this. Tie them and it's done. Next, we'll be making a ponytail. Tie the hairs together like this. Now divide it into two parts. Tie the upper hairs into small sections. Rotate it from the between like this and it's done. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now after rotating it, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and fix them into each other like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be tying small section of the hairs on the top and then rotate it. Now take the hairs from the sides, join them at the back like this and divide it from the between and then rotate it. Fix it on the top and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.